Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to disable haptic vibration feedback when typing on Gboard. Constant micro vibrations consume extra battery cells and can be incredibly distracting while typing fast, but silencing the haptic motor inside your keyboard takes only a few quick steps. First, tap into any search bar or text input box to deploy the Gboard interface on screen. Click on the Settings gear icon tool sitting directly in the middle of that utility bar. Look at the primary configurations menu list layout and click on Preferences. Scroll down through the choices until you reach the specific subsection block explicitly labeled Key Tap. Locate the configuration row option labeled Keyboard Vibration. Click the toggle switch to turn it completely off. The input engine framework will instantly cut power to your device's vibration motor, allowing your keys to respond in absolute physical silence across all application screens. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.